Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to use the Timeleft app. Timeleft is a unique and trending app where you meet 5 strangers for dinner. The app uses a personality-based algorithm to match participants with similar interests and hobbies, organizing group dinners every Wednesday evening. To join, fill out a profile with your interests and hobbies. The app matches you with compatible people. Group of 5 strangers are formed for a dinner to receive details about your group and the restaurant location. The profiles are free and you can browse options but book for pay $16 per meal or upgrade for added features. To get started, it's available on the App Store, so download the app and create your profile, add your interests to take your personality test. Then see available group dinners in your area and upgrade or pay for a single ticket. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.